Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Actually, in this video, I'm going to give answer to the most requested question: how can I apply for Binance NFT? In this video, I'm going to give you the exact email I sent to Binance and how I got approved in less than 3 weeks. I want you to apply the same and hopefully you too will be approved. Remember, this is not a guarantee, or note that this is not a guarantee that you too will be approved in the shortest period of time. I want you to know that thousands or hundreds of thousands are also applying for the same opportunity. Although Binance have stated that in future Binance NFT will be open to the general public, but at the meantime they are letting people in batch by batch. In my previous video, I showed you that Binance are setting people batch by batch because they are including more creators to the Binance Creators Program. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact email I use. Although I've edited some things out, some private information, I want you to follow the same steps. Use your own words especially, and you to have greater chance of being approved. Exactly 2 hours ago, my Instagram got blocked. I don't know the reason why, but I was talking to one of my subscribers. His name is Ali. Please, Ali, if you are watching this video, I want you to comment down below. My Instagram has just been blocked. I was trying to respond to you and send you this email, so I've not been able to do that. Until I'm able to recover my Instagram, I'm going to use this video to answer your question. So the question is steps on how to apply for Binance NFT. So what is the first thing you need to do? First, you need to send an email to Binance team, and the email you're going to use is nft@binance.com. nft@binance.com. That is where you're going to be sending your application to. Make sure your spellings are correct. Make sure your spellings are correct because you might send it to a wrong email. And when applying, you have to use exactly this subject. When applying, use application for Binance NFT Innovative Creators Program. That is going to be your email's title. Application for Binance NFT Innovative Creators Program. So these are what will remain constant. You don't need to change this one, but the message here you can change it to fit whatever you need or who you are. You can edit this one, but these two should remain the same. You are sending your email to nft@binance.com, and your title, your email title should be application for Binance NFT Innovative Creators Program. So what is the first few things you need to pay attention to? Let me give you a breakdown. So number one, you need to introduce yourself. Binance do not have your details. They do not have your passport. They do not have your picture. So one way or the other, they need to know if you're a real person or if you're a bot. So the only way you can do that is by providing them your social media links so that they can get your image from there, your location, your phone number, and any other details they want. Most of the time, the reason they need this social media is to prove your identity and to show or let it be as an evidence that you are a creator. That was what I heard, or it might be a rumor, but that was what I heard. They need evidence to prove that you are a creator and that whatever you be uploading to the Binance marketplace is going to be real artwork from you. So number 3 point is you need to explain to them that you have understanding of Binance NFT. Number 4, you tell them why you need to apply, or why you want to apply, or why you want to join the Binance Innovative Creators Program. You also need to send a sample of your Binance NFT. Let me go over the steps again. Introduction about yourself, social media account so that they can prove that you're a real person. You need to explain what you understand by Binance NFT, why you're applying to them, and your previous work or a proof that you can create this Binance NFT app. So without waste of time, let's go into this email and just see what it's all about. I'm going to increase the text of this email so that you can see You can see it clearly. So actually this is what I said. Hi Binance NFT. My name is Norman. You have to put your full name. Norman. I'm a student of, you put the name of your school. Actually I put the name of my school, Polytechnic, studying computer science with 2 years experience writing for a financial blog with expertise in blockchain, cryptocurrency, including NFT. So at the first paragraph, all you need to do is to give a brief introduction about yourself. Make sure your introduction is not more than 4 sentences or more than one paragraph. You need to tell them about yourself. Make sure it is detailed and you're not using abstract words. You need to specific details. You can include your country, where you are from, or more details about you. The next paragraph, I said I'm a huge fan of Binance and its amazing services, particularly Binance NFT. It would be lovely to share my knowledge and talent through art, which is digital assets, on their platform. The third paragraph, I said here is my social media links to learn more about myself. So at this stage you have to give them your Facebook username, the exact link, not just your name, because multiple people might be using your name. So you give them your Facebook link, the one that's going to take them directly to your Facebook account or your Facebook page. The same with the Instagram and Twitter, so that they can, through that, they can get your profile and other details about you, including location and many other information. Because when registering on Binance, most of the time everybody are anonymous. We are only known by our Binance address. So I went on to say my pictures can be found on any of my social media accounts. My next paragraph, I had to explain to them what I know about Binance NFT and why I am applying. So I said, with the birth of Binance NFT marketplace, creators around the world, especially talented artists, can seize the opportunity to display their talent to the world through the help of Binance. The main reason I am applying for Binance NFT creator program is that I've been working with a technical team of cryptocurrency enthusiasts, and I believe in the past 2 years I have acquired the necessary skills needed for me to make smart decisions when it comes to trading, whether it is cryptocurrency or NFT. So after you have told them why you want to use Binance NFT, you need to tell them the reason why you're applying. It is very, very important. You make sure you follow each step accordingly. Below is a sample of NFT I made 2 months ago. I own full right to this asset and they do not appear anywhere else online. Every month I create 5 to 10 NFT. I hope to get a positive feedback. Thanks. So below here you have to attach the NFT you have created for them, so they have to look at it. You make sure that your NFT, whether it is video, picture, or whatever file it is, or PDF, it shouldn't be more than 50 megabytes. So the highest they are accepting is below 50 megabytes, so it has to be 49 megabytes, 50 megabytes and below. And make sure it is not too little. It shouldn't be also less than 10 kilobytes. It has to be above that. It has to be quality. And make sure these are assets or images that do not appear anywhere else. So after you have done that, you need to be patient. You need to be patient. You know, you can lose money if you are in using Binance NFT. You can use money, so you need to be aware of this. So what they are trying to do is to make sure they allow people that understand what they are getting into to become creators. So you make sure you need to understand what you are getting into before you join any NFT program. Because I have a friend who joined OpenSea and he created an NFT and his gas fee was about $72. When he went on to sell that NFT, he didn't make profit. He was in a loss because he sold it less than $72. So there are many people that are having losses on NFT. So if you have stayed to the end of this video, I really appreciate you. Actually, this video was to give answer to one of my subscribers. So a like and a sub is going to be fantastic. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.